Hello students, now we have to continue our chapter some natural phenomena. Today we will discuss about the lightning conductor, safety measures from lightning and thundering. So first we will go through the lightning conductor. Lightning conductor is a device used to protect a building of a thick strip of metal copper. It is a thick strip of metal copper. The top end is pointed. The top end is pointed like a sharp spike, which is fixed above the highest point of the building. It runs along the outer wall, and other end is joined with a metal plate. Other end is joined with a metal plate that is buried deep inside the ground. So here you can see the figure. This is a building. At the top of the building, this conductor is fixed. It is having spikes. It is metallic, made up of copper, and then it run along with the outer wall of the building, and other end is connected with metal plate, copper plate, that is buried deep inside the soil. At the time of lightning, when charges flows from cloud to building, this lightning conductor absorb all the charges and it passes to the ground. That is called earthing, and this way it protects the complete building to get damaged. So it is used today in all the tall buildings. Now function. What is the function of this? It is to conduct any lightning strikes. It conducts any lightning strikes safely to the earth and passes safely to the earth without causing any damage to the building. This way it protects the building. Now safety measures while we are inside the house or outside the house. There are some safety measures we should follow to protect our life and property. If we are inside the house, we are safe, but we should switch off TV sets. We should not watch TV or other computer or laptop thing. We should switch off. Don't take bath. We should not take bath at the time of lightning. Don't touch any metal rod that is attached to the building. We should not touch it because it can cause lightning and we can get harm. Don't use landline phone, wire connected phone, landline phone. We should avoid. We should not go for that. Don't go out. We should not go out during the lightning and thundering. And if you want to go outside, we should wait till 30 minutes. We should wait till 30 minutes from the last thundering. Now if we are outside we are not safe. We are not in the open space, open place area. We are not safe. So we should go under a shelter or under a shaded area. In open vehicles are not safe to drive. Open vehicles means two-wheelers or motorcycle, scooter, just like open vehicles are not safe to drive. In open space, while we are standing in open space area, there is no seat, no shelter. So in that case, we should sit on the ground and we should hide our head under the knee. This way we can, under the feet, we can hide our face. And don't use umbrella during lightning, because if you are using umbrella, so its handle should not be metal, made up of metal. Metal handled umbrella is not safe while you are going out during lightning. And don't come out during the thunder. If there is a thunder, so don't come out during the thunder period. So, and also stay away while you are sitting in a safe area, open space area, no shade is there. You should also take care, you should not sit or stand nearby electric poles, telephone poles, and hoardings, metallic hoardings, or overhead cables, overhead electrical wires. We should avoid all these things. It can damage our life and property. So these are few safety measures while we are inside the house, we are outside the house. So by adopting these methods, we can make our life safe from the lightning and thundering. So this much only today. Just go through and try to understand. Okay. Thank you. Now this is lightning conductor. Just go through the figure.